Greetings and salutations. This is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker. So today I got some amazingly horrible news that one of the products that I love and use a lot is actually going to be dying. And not only do I use that, but I make $330 a month of recurring revenue from that. And since it's going to be dead and it's not going to be active anymore, I'm instantly going to lose that $330 of passive recurring income. So this is going to be a passive recurring income challenge. I'm going to be trying to replace that $330 of recurring income, and I'm going to try two different ways. So I'm going to be doing helpful fix problem videos and review videos. That's going to be for the first thing that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be targeting one specific app, and I'm going to be doing videos on how this app helps people. So this is one thing that I love. I love doing YouTube videos and stuff like that. Second, I'm going to be targeting my main product, PCS Tube Growth, my YouTube ranking extension. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to target all of the organic traffic posts from my main competitors for my YouTube ranking app. I'm going to repurpose these posts, and I'm going to, basically reconstruct these posts and shoot for organic traffic. There's about 120 different posts that gets over 1 million organic traffic every month. And so I'm going to target this, and I'm going to go ahead and see if I can go ahead and either hit my $330 of recurring income by selling monthly subscriptions to my app, by getting organic traffic from competitor posts. And I'm also going to target one of the apps that I use a lot and see which one wins faster, whether it's YouTube videos and doing helpful how to solve problem videos and reviews to get $330 in recurring commission, or to be able to target organic SEO views. And I'm going to be doing a case study on both to see how I'm able to replace this $330 of lost income that I'm going to be getting every month. So since it's wiped clean, I'm going to try to see which one is the fastest. So go ahead and join me. Follow along, and if you like informative videos, helpful videos, smack that thumbs up. And if you hate informative videos, smack that thumbs down. All right, thanks for joining me in this update. So I will go ahead and update you once I'm able to hit that $330 recurring on either one, and I will show you which one was the fastest, which one worked the best, and you can also start building some recurring income for yourself. All right, I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.